So we are at most na Sochi, so bridge on Socha river. This is in Slovenian, and yeah, it's a really beautiful everything. I come a little bit to breathe the air. I take today off a little bit, and yes, I come a little bit with the car to drive and do some photos of the nice river, and of course say to hello you guys. That yeah, a little bit more coming with the content and with everything together. So that's the whole reason why I'm here, because I like to share what I do, what we do. Anyway, yeah, I will stay 1 week more here. So after the new year, I go back to Switzerland, and we have some excitement project oncoming. Yeah, I'm running some platforms, which I hope that I can make it. That it go further. So especially is this with the something similar like a eBay. But yeah, of course we need to see it how we go further. The platform works and everything works, but we need to promote a little bit. So maybe with your help we can put really much more higher, and at least some customers coming and so on. So the idea is good. We need just to go further. This is more or less what is going on, and of course, car, we need to solve some oil leaking. This is on a oil pan. Of course, this is a big job by this car, so I believe that this will take in February. So I need to order the parts. Then, because I need to put the whole bridge down and everything, I will probably do a little bit more. So I'll put also the safety protection inside for that the air doesn't come on the pump. So this means that will the engine survive even on a some track? Because like I mentioned before already, I hope that I can go this year on Nürburgring. We already know that will be open in March, so that's, I believe that end of March or April I could go. And yeah, this is my big thing, especially because I was many times involved in the track days with my friend, and yeah, since now I'm out of my main country, I want to do it alone, and that's the main reason. And I also like it. I like to drive fast, and the safety way it's on the racetrack. So this is the way. Maybe we will visit some workshop, because one of friend getting a new workshop in 2024. So we will check how he building and how he is going on, and maybe we will work something together. I don't know. I have some connections. I have some things which I can help him. So I believe that I can give him some valuable points of these things. So I don't know. Like I say, many options are open, and yeah, let's see what brings 2024. We hope on our best. But yes, here we have my BMW Series 1, and I just love it. 4x4, 320 horsepower, original M135 EX drive. And we are now here at the stunning lake of the river Socha. If you anytime come to Slovenia, you need to visit this part, because it's really beautiful. And yeah, I simply like it. Always come back and have a nice time here. So let's go further, and if we come somewhere more. So the second place, which is quite nice here, close to Tolmin, it's the cave of Tolmin. So here is the river born, and up in the mountain you have the village come out, and now we have a lot of people coming here. So yeah, we will go further with the other side. Let's see where we come. It's even now in this time, it's a lot of people here, so it's not strange because it's really nice place. And yeah, here it is, the band. Yes, so I was a little bit driving around and checking the place. It's quite dark already, even if the time is not so late. But yeah, that's it. Let me in the comment if you wanna have some answer that I would take out and answer, and if you have question that I answer. So it's more this, and we can do it. And I will try to show some other places also now here, and to do a little bit more driving. So that's it for today, and see you in the next one.